Are your trees getting impacted by this excessive heat we're having this year in Phoenix? My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping, and that's what this video is about. I have some Shamel ash trees in my backyard that we're using as an example here. We'll show you some B-roll of just how much this record heat is impacting as of September 9th here in Phoenix, 2024. We've had record number of well over 100 days of straight over 100 degrees temperature, which I think our last record was like 76 days of days consistently over 100 degrees. This is making an impact. Last year we had a record number of days over 110, and you can see this really starting to show effects on different trees. Citrus are getting impacted, a lot of queen palms and pygmy palms, just especially trees that aren't native. But my Shamel ash, they're usually pretty hardy. And so I wanted to use this as an example just to show people that the impact that this excessive heat is having. And we are recommending that you have an arborist go out and take a look at your trees, make recommendations. It's starting to cool off here in Phoenix. It's actually going to hit 70 degrees at night finally this week. And so we actually have just cut the dead off of our Shamel ash trees at home, but I just wanted to show this example. This is not normal for Shamel ashes that are getting watered pretty regularly. They're also in the grass area that gets watered every day, so there's plenty of water going to these trees. It's just the heat is just so hard on them. There's really no fertilization to do right now. Really, you want to focus on getting a plan for the next year, probably get a treatment for the fall. So we have a treatment coming in this fall to treat the Shamel ash as it starts cooling off, just to get root structure and strength. And then next spring, we're going to do another treatment just to go into next year's excessive heat. And that's kind of how we are addressing this issue right now. But we wanted to bring it to the attention of, just residents here in Arizona, of how the heat island is just impacting plant life and how we're seeing it even on our personal properties. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at azlawns.com. Also check out our Facebook page or in our YouTube channels at AMS Landscaping. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.